I'm standing in the back part of my backyard, sort of almost to the boundary line. If you listen carefully, you can hear the trees breaking. Look at that right there. You can see them split from the weight. It's about ready to give. And when that gives, that'll be in the road. This is normally nice, green, plush, landscaped, natural treed. Can barely even see my house over there from my backyard. All these trees are down. Unbelievable storm. December 12th, 2008. I think we have about 400,000 people without power in the state of New Hampshire today. Wild. Holy mackerel. Did you hear that noise? I don't want to be standing here when that baby goes. It might just go right on me. Wow.